going on. It's going on live. Yes, yes.
After the video is over, then only I should start saying. Yeah. Hi, this is Lakshmi from Coding Trial. I have been taking the coding classes since the last 4 years. It's my love to teach kids that has brought me to this platform. So here I will be giving you a short introduction about the basics of web development. Oh my god, it has stuck. It's not okay. Getting stuck. It's not responding. Is it going to happen tomorrow also?
Yes, yes.
It's going to happen the same.
Once the video is over, you can start with your video caption source.
Yeah, but it wasn't moving down. I'm trying to move it down, but it's not. It's taking a lot of time. It was coming that not responding. So now I am making it full screen. Just let me know whether it's coming full screen. Is it coming as full screen? Hello, Pratibhan? Hello?
Yeah, Lakshmi, you can go ahead. You don't need to wait for me. You're on live now.
No, I wasn't waiting for you. I was just asking whether it's coming as full screen. You said not to check whether it's coming as full screen. So I was asking.
Yeah, I'll update you. Yeah, I'll update you. No worries. I'll update you.
I am
You
on
can-
full
you can do
screen
it.
in the presentation. So is it coming full screen?
I think there is some delay with my internet.
Okay.
I will update you.
Okay.
Yeah. But obviously, it'll full screen only. You don't need to worry.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I will be
Go
going
ahead,
on
go
with the
ahead.
presentation. Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. So I have often seen that the kids, they are very much amazed about all the websites that they see. and somewhere sometime they feel like to create one. So I am here to help the kids to create one cute website by their own. So here I have few points that they can consider while creating the slides. Okay, before going to that, let's understand some basics. Here comes the difference between a web page and a website. Okay, so web page and website, let's see what's the difference. I think most of the kids know what's the difference. So here I am just going to give an understanding. Like, web page is like a single page in your notebook, and website it's like your entire textbook. When you write something in your notebook as classwork, it's a web page, one page writing. But when you are preparing for your exam, that's the entire book that you have to study. That's the difference between a web page and website. When we create something online that is contained within a page, it is called web page. And when it has got multiple pages linked to one topic, then it's called website. Now let's see what's the difference between web designing and web development. Designing is all that you see on the screen. It doesn't include the writing code. Its purpose is to add an appeal to the site. The color, the background, the way a text input box is looking like, a way a button is looking like, and how these elements are supposed to work will be done in the web development. So the web development doesn't include the creation of the visual assets. It is to add the functionality to the site, the functionality to the elements that has been used while the web has been designed. Now let's understand what is an IDE. Integrated Development Environment is a software application. It has got all the features and tools that are needed by a software developer to create a website. Now, using these IDEs, we will be creating the website. Now, there are online IDE and offline IDE. The difference being that in the online, we need a proper internet connection while we are creating the website. If there is no internet connection, we won't be able to create one. But in offline, we can save all the files in the folder in our computer, and once you are connected to the net, then you can check that how it's looking like. Now the languages that we'll be using when we are creating a web page or a website. Now the content that is seen when we are on a page, that is being written inside HTML, hypertext markup language. So whatever you see whenever a website is open, it's the HTML page that opens up. But it would be a boring page without the other languages. If you want to add styling, if you want to make it interesting, if you want to make it colorful, then you have to do something related to coloring or designing. So that will be done in CSS, Cascade Style Sheet. You will be giving all the styling effects in the CSS, which has to be linked to the HTML, otherwise it won't be applied. Then if you want that it should show some behavior, like while we are searching something in the Google, after typing the content that you want to search, you press on the search button and it navigates you to the page that you want. So if you want such actions to happen, then you have to work on JavaScript. So these three languages will be using to create a web page. Now let me show you a simple example to make it clear. So for that, I am going to use an online IDE.
Can you share your screen on Google Meet?
It's not
I
shared.
think your screen is frozen. Yeah.
Okay,
I think your screen is frozen with the presentation, but not full screen. So let me see where you are, so I can understand. I can relate it.
I am on CodePen now.
Okay, but on YouTube, yes. So no. Still, I'm able to see the presentation.
Oh, okay, 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 okay.
Okay,
Okay,
anyhow,
no, no,
go
I
ahead, go
didn't
ahead.
move it.
Let's see.
I didn't move it down actually.
Uh, oh. You need to move it, no?
It's not going up.
See, only media source you can drag to the bottom. Other
Okay,
sources you don't need to drag. You can play with the
okay, okay.
disable enable buttons.
Okay, 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 fine, fine. Yes. Now I think it should be
Yeah.
coming. Yes. So then I will be working
Yes,
on this
it is.
code pen. After showing this, I will be opening a new page. So just check whether that new page is coming. I have switched. Yes, now it's an empty
Okay.
page that's coming. Are you able to see that empty page only?
No, it, yeah, it will, I guess. But now I'm able to see the browser where the code pen is there.
Yeah, it's the
You can
code
go
pen
ahead.
browser
I could
only.
see.
It's the code pen
Yeah.
browser only. I am typing in the code pen browser. Are you able
Cool.
to
Go
see?
ahead. Yes, yes.
Yes.
Yes, I am.
Okay.
Go ahead. Yeah.
So when we are creating any website, we will start with the HTML. So the content that will be visible to the user will be what we have to work on first. And when we are writing the codes in HTML, we will be writing it within the tags. So here you can see I have written HTML inside the tags. The HTML is being divided into two parts, the head section and the body section. Now the content that the user sees on the page is being written inside the body section. So what comes in the head section? In the head section, we will be writing the title to the web page. And as I told you, when we are creating a website, we need the other languages as well, CSS and JavaScript. Now since it's an online IDE and it's the basic one, here I won't be doing that, but when we are working on offline IDEs, we have to provide a connection between the CSS, JavaScript and the HTML. So that will also fall inside the head section. So inside the head, I'm going to write the title first. And inside the title, anything that you want. So I am creating a small cute website based on vacation, since it was vacation time. So I'm going to make this website on web page on vacation. So after the head section is over, now till now you can see nothing has been shown on the result screen. This is the workspace. This is the result screen where whatever we'll be writing inside these three sections will be shown. So here you can see nothing has been shown on the page, since my content that has to be shown hasn't been typed yet, and I will be typing it inside my body section. Okay, first let me add a beautiful color. I'm going to the CSS, since I want the color effect or the designing aspects. So I am in my CSS section, cascade style sheets, and here I'm going to provide a background color. Now to select the background color, here down you can see assets are there. If you move on to assets, there is a section for color selection. Whatever color you want, you can copy from here. Just click on it, it will get copied automatically, and then you just need to paste it. See, the color has been applied. Now we can see whatever we are doing is being shown as a result. Now coming to the heading. For headings, we have several heading tags. Inside the heading.
All right, Lakshmi, thank you.
Yes. Okay.
So I hope you can, you have understood the OBS. Go to OBS.
OBS.